guys, good day everyone. My name is Richmond Santillan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to be discussing to you the quality plan and communication plan and its components. So the definition of a quality plan is a documented or several documents that together specify quality standards, practices, resources, specifications, and the sequence of activities relevant to a particular product. It may be a service, project, or contract, and etc. So the components of quality plan should be the goals or objectives. So this should include the product specification, use, aesthetics, cycle, and time. And for the materials and costs, and the process steps or procedures. So these steps that constitute the operating practice or procedure of the organization. And for the distribution of responsibilities, who does, what, when. These are the allocating of responsibilities and who are the authority and the resources during the different phases of the process or project. So the specific documented standards, practices, procedures, and instructions to be applied. And the testing requirements, when does testing take place, who performs it, and where. And for the change or modification documentation procedure, it gives you a way back to track changes to the project or processes. And for the quality measurement, a way to measure the value of the quality document itself. And for the last one is the other actions as needed to meet the objectives. So at the highest level, quality goals and plans should be integrated with overall strategic plan of the organization. As organizational objectives and plans are deployed throughout the organization, each function fashions its own best way for contributing to the top level goals and objectives. At lower levels, the quality plan assumes the roles of an actionable plan. Such plans may take many different forms depending on the outcome they are to produce. Quality plan may also be represented by more than one type of document to produce a given outcome. So the elements of a strategic quality plan is to understand how the organization views quality. The second one is to understand customer strategic needs and desires. Third one is to determine how the quality is vital to the organization's mission. Include quality in visions and value statements. Recognize how quality and methods can help the organization close the gap between its current state and ideal future state. Commit to using internal assessment methods to understand the effectiveness of actions taken to improve quality. And for the last one is to embrace a framework or management system regarding to tactical planning for quality. So for example, a quality plan to for example is a company that manufactures machines metal parts. So its quality plan consists of applicable procedures describing the production process and responsibilities. So they are distributing the responsibilities to each and everyone, and the describing the production process on how the metal parts work, and the applicable workmanship standards, the measurement tolerance acceptable, and the description of the material standards, and so forth. So an operating level quality plan translates the customer requirements, the what into actions required to produce the desired outcome, the how, and the couple these with applicable procedures, standards, practices, and protocols to specify precisely what is needed, who will do it, and how it will be done. And for the communication plan, for its definition itself, is a policy-driven approach to providing stakeholders with information. The plan formally defines who should be given the specific information, when the information should be delivered, and what communication will be used to deliver the information. So an effective communication management plan anticipates what information will need to be communicated to a specific audience segments. So, and the importance of the communication plan is important in change management. An effective communication strategy can help break the resistance to change by getting everyone on the same page and helping stakeholders to become engaged and endorse the need for change and steps being taken to bring it about. So, for example, in project management, the communication plan may include a glossary of common terms to ensure stakeholders use terms consistently. This glossary may also define and include samples of templates, reports, and form that the project manager will use to communicate information. So the components of communication plan is the event, what expected or unexpected expected events warrants the need to communicate. Second one is the message, what information needs to be communicated. Third one is the communicator, who is responsible for preparing, delivering, verifying receipt of ensuring, and the comprehension of the information. The, com- the audience, who needs the information, timing, when should be the communication occur, and the last one is the tools and format, how will the information will be communicated. A communication plan for a major emergency situation is similar but also address ways both electronic and non-electronic communication channels should be used to disseminate information. This includes announcements over a building paging system, automated text messages, email alerts, pre-recorded robocalls, and the use of phone trees and social medias. That is for today's video. I hope you like it and I hope you learned something. Hope to see you guys. Bye.